Hey guys, I have a great video here for you. So, shoutem is one of my favorite app builder platforms. They have recently been updating their app application, getting better. Um, their process for building an app is very simple, very easy. I believe that you would actually like using their service. Their prices is comparable to what the markets offer. You can actually get up and running and think less than $100 and get your app out there to everyone. You can have it on both platforms, and that's Apple and Android. I personally use them a lot for creating apps. So I wanted to bring this to you guys because a lot of you guys actually want to have apps put on the app store, trying to figure out how you can do it. You have podcasts, you have startups, stuff like that you want to build, but you're trying to figure out, hey, how can I build an app? Do I actually have to spend $2,500, $5,000, $50,000 to build an app? And that's not true. You can build your own. So I'm going to show you this platform here where you can actually start your own app, build your own app, all by yourself. So let's get into it. I'm going to share my screen. Here we go. So here where you're going to get started. So this is the website right here. Their app platform, build your apps. They offer security to secure your apps. They offer, you can download an app on your phone so you can actually see what the app what your app looks like on your phone. But they also have a little phone right here that shows you everything you're doing. But they recently came out with an app as well where you can see what it looks like on your phone, so you would know how everything look. If you need any issues, or if it may look different on this app, or it may look different on this phone compared to this phone. So they give you two phone options. They give you the Android option and the iPhone, so you can switch between the two to get familiar. So this is their website. So I'm just going to do a quick stroll of their website before I get into app building. So here we go. So you can do integrations with Shopify and Apple and all these other companies here. Facebook there's a lot of features they offer. Offline capabilities, safe and secure, real-time updates, easy to use. So now let's get into, so when you get started, you will go right here. Actually, you'll go right here to create your app. But let's check out the prices. So here are the prices. So these are your annual prices right here. But if you are like me, who like to try things out, and I start mostly on the monthly first to get going to see how everything works. So these are your monthly prices. $79 for Android. You get the standard, what comes with the Apple and Android, and this is the professional, that you get everything with it for the most part. And right here breaks down the features that come with it. So here are your features that come with it. You would definitely like all the features here. Okay, so they offer, you can do chat with Simber, but that's only on the professional. In-app purchases only on the professional. So here are some questions, things like that. You can also contact them if you have questions here. So let's get into the app building. So here, once you get here, you will ask you about your applications. You create an app. You hit the create app, new app. And right here, they show you different layouts. So if you want to start a news app, events, radio for your podcast, you got a social media app, you got a podcast app, You got a loyalty app for if you got like a store or shopping, things like that, and you want to give like discounts and stuff like that. You can use this one. Tourism app if you want to do something like apartment or real estate or booking sites like that. You would do tourism, and then they got the school app, and then they have a church app, and then they have a products app. And then you can do a blank canvas and build your own. So let's start with a tourism app. It's really fast to update. They offer great features, and I think that a lot of people probably don't know about them, but it's a do-it-yourself. But they also offer a service where you can actually let the company shoutem build it for you right here. You let us build your app. You can click this button here. They tell you the prices and things like that, and ask you questions, and they build your app out for you. So here you can hit the button right here, and then you can choose based on what phone you have, and then you can do this. Use the secure QR code, and it will show up on your phone. Here, iPhone Pro, where you going to show on here exactly what are you doing. And then here's it show up here. You got your different options here. And then here you go. Here's the app right here. You got your settings here, which it shows here's your layout. So this is your layout, and you choose your layout based on the different options here. So for your listings, these are your option layouts, and then this is the inside of your listing, different layouts here. So right now it's set to this one, this title list, and then it shows up large photo. So when you click on it, that's what it's going to show you right here, this option right here, as you see. Go back. You got travel. I believe this is a blog right here, and they're going to show all your blog options here. You see you have the search option, but this one here will be your blog right here. One great feature I like about the blog is that you can have unlimited photos. So when you edit in your blog, you can upload a lot of photos. And if you notice the other apps, a lot of times you can't do that. They may give you like 5 photos, things like that, and that's similar to the listing option. With the listing option, you want to upload like 5 photos, but for the blog, it's unlimited. And here you got a lot of different options, different layouts. I think this is one of my favorite layouts right here. And then when you want to do it, so if you change the different options, you just reset it right here. It will refresh, and then once it refreshes, it's going to show you this option here once I go to it. And then I will go to the blog, and then this layout here is going to show, as you see here, which is really nice. Very nice. Okay, so you click on there. It's going to show your photos here, and again, you can add unlimited photos. And this right here is the blog. So they're going to show your next blog photo there. Your events. So if you want to build an events option or things like that to show events, you can do that. Or if you want to build it in the events app, this is a great option here. Let's go to the event section. Nice layout. You get the search, you get your maps. Also, you get your filter right here. And then here you just edit the information right here, whatever's inside your events right here. Title, your description, your photo image, and all the content that goes here. If you have a link to where you want to purchase, right there. Then here are the different layouts for that, right here for events. And it's photos about me. So I'm going to show you with extensions. So here's where you go to add all of the extensions they have. So they have a lot, which is great. So if you know, it's kind of sky's the limit which you want to build out. You got cameras, you got checklists, you got code push, you got deals, events, your favorites, so you can save a blog, save a listing, things like that. You got different languages. So a lot of different options here. And one thing you do is just you will add it to your option. And then when you're ready to submit it after you set up your options, things like that, you got different settings for like your style, things like that. You go to your style, you can change your colors and things like that, notifications, send notifications. And when you're ready to submit your app, you'll go to publish right here. And here's where you put your icons and stuff. Here you'll pick your plan. And then from there, you just submit all of your information to get your app submitted to the App Store. And that's kind of it. It's very simple. They offer a support section right here and to help you along the way. But it's an easy process. It's an easy way to build your app and get started. And here's where you just select your extensions. You just select the one you want, and then you attach it, and it will show up directly right here. So there you go, you guys. This is just a quick video to show you how you can set up your app, get started with your app builder, doing it yourself. You don't have to hire someone to do it. You can do it yourself, and it's fast and easy. Hope you enjoyed the video. And, you know, until next time, I will continue to bring you guys different platforms, different apps, different WordPress themes. I'm going to do another video soon on Squarespace and Wix. All right, you guys. Till next time. And also like and subscribe, you guys. Like and subscribe.